What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and in today's review we'll be going over Cut's Hoodie Classic. So this shirt that I'm wearing right now is also Cut's, but I wanted to save this for next week's video. I have a couple other Cut's t-shirts that I bought around 6 months ago, so I wanted to make a new video just to talk about my thoughts on them and how they've held up through these past 6 months. So stay tuned for that. But in this video, we're just going to be talking about the hoodie. If you've been to my channel before and seen my other videos, welcome back, and I apologize that you have to hear this every single time, but I feel like it's important just to let everyone know what types of videos I make, so I'll get through it as fast as I can. So I make honest clothing reviews. I always try on all my clothes, and then at the end of the video, I will give them a score out of 10 based on 3 criteria. Those are fit, worth 4 points, style, worth 3 points, and comfort, also worth 3 points. Total of 10. I give that score again at the end of the video, so stay tuned and let's get started with the review. Okay, so let's start out with the price. This thing is $118, so very expensive for a hoodie, and I was very iffy about getting it. When they first came out with their hoodie colors, I think it was like a maroon, a blue, and a black maybe, or something like that. But I already have other hoodies that are those same colors, so I was like, nah. But then they came out with a sage, and I was like, that's my actual favorite color that they have, so I had to get it. In addition to that, Cut started their ambassador program about a month ago, and I think it's kind of just like being an influencer. They would send you clothes, and you have the opportunity to make some money. But I did apply for that, and unfortunately they didn't move forward with my application. It's all good. If you don't know, I just started doing this YouTube thing a couple months ago, so I don't have a ton of subscribers yet. I think I have like 550 right now, which is awesome. I'm very happy with that, but that's not enough for Cuts. You know, they have football, NFL people, they have people from the NBA, so they don't need me, honestly, and I know that. But they did give me a 25% off coupon when they denied me. So I was like, oh, all right, you know, let me use that on their hoodie. I just saw that they came out with a sage one. Let me get that. And I also bought this shirt and another. So again, this shirt I will review next week, but I was really excited to get this. So let's talk about first impressions. The hoodie feels kind of like exactly what I thought it would feel like, which is just like their Pica Pro material. It's really stretchy and soft. Feels like just like this. If I just rub it on the outside, it feels just like this shirt. But it's like it's a heavier material, obviously, because it's a hoodie. I wouldn't say that it's heavyweight, but it's not thin. So like mid-weight hoodie. Just want to show you some stretchies. Has good stretch to it. And also, I'll show you when it's on, but like the hoodie is like nice and stretchy, which I like. Before I try it on, I just want to show you a couple details. On the ends of the string, they have these hard plastic pieces, and there's like a Cuts logo on both sides. I don't know if you could see it, so I don't think you can. I do want to show you what the inside of the hoodie looks like, this material. It's nice and stretchy. I don't know if any of you have public rec pants, but it reminds me exactly of the inside of those. And I'll grab a pair just to show you what I mean, but it feels exactly like those. So these are my public rec pants, and just to show you like what I mean, it's like that same material. So if you have these, that helps you understand. If you don't have these, I'm sorry. All right, so let's pop it on and I'll let you know what I think. So as I'm putting it on, it feels like really like techy as opposed to like really cotton soft, but it's still really comfortable, and it's soft on your skin, just not as like that really fleece material. It's kind of more techy. Okay. So I'm gonna back up the camera so you guys can see this. I always have to make sure that the strings are perfectly aligned, otherwise it bothers me. But we've got it on, and first thing you notice is how freely you can move without any restrictions. You know, a lot of times I'll put on a hoodie and, you know, I try and make a movement and it's just like restricting. This one is so stretchy that I could kind of do anything I want in it. Like I would feel comfortable working out in this even, you know what I mean? If it was cold in the garage, because I have a home gym in the garage, and I would definitely wear this if it was in winter. Go ahead and put on the hood. So you guys see how stretchy that is? One really different thing about this hoodie is the pockets. So I don't even think you can see the pockets if I stand like this, but there are two pockets on the sides. They are really, really far back. So at the same time that I like where they are, because you can't see them and it looks just like a hoodie without pockets, when I go to put like keys or anything in these pockets, it's very awkward. I'm so used to putting it right here, but you have to like really reach all the way back here to get your hand in. So I think I'm just not used to it. And I know not everyone likes hoodies, or I know a lot of people prefer like zip up hoodies, but for me, pullovers are like a staple. I just love the way they look. Not a big fan of the way the zipper looks. I don't know what about it, but more of a pullover kind of guy. Just a pullover with like some jeans and Converse. Like I'll show you how I would typically wear this, but I just love pullovers. Okay, so let's get to the rating. Number one, we have fit. So I think the fit on this for a hoodie is just right for me. I don't want my hoodie to be extremely tight. I like my t-shirts really snug around my arms, but for a hoodie, like I want to be comfortable in it. So I'm okay with it being a little bit looser. This is a medium and I'm 6 feet, 165 pounds. So I think it's very true to size. I wouldn't go up or down. I think it's perfect for me. Fit, we are giving this a 3.6 out of 4. Okay, for comfort, I'm giving this a 2.5 out of 3. So it's not the softest thing I've ever felt, but it is extremely stretchy and very mobile. I could see myself like working out in this again if I were to work out in my garage. I don't know that I would even change it. Like I really like the way it feels, but it is not the most comfortable thing I've ever felt. So I think 2.5 is a fair score. And then moving on to style. So for style, which is how good it looks, I'm giving this a 2.6 out of 3. I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors to wear. I also have a sage elongated tee, and that's probably my favorite one. So when I saw this hoodie, love the color, had to get it. One thing that I think they can improve on for style is maybe have like a curved hem bottom. And I'm wondering if, because they're calling this the Hoodie Classic, which is kind of like a weird name, like why wouldn't it be like the classic hoodie, you know? So they call it the Hoodie Classic. Maybe they're gonna make like the hoodie curve hem, the hoodie split hem. But that gives them a total of 8.7 out of 10 for this hoodie, which is really high. I think it's awesome. Is it worth $118? Probably not. I mean, it's a hoodie. How can I justify it being $118? It's just too hard. I think the max that this should be is like 75, 80. So with my 25% off coupon when I was denied, I got it down to like 88. So I'm okay with paying for that. I really do like it. And hopefully this review has helped you guys out in your purchasing decisions. But thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider it. But I will see you guys on the next one.